How to enable notifications in Google Voice. First of all, open the Google Voice app on your Android device and make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. Here you can disable Do Not Disturb by switching it off, which will enable notifications and call rings. Additionally, check your phone system settings. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Google Voice, and make sure notifications are allowed. Once enabled, you will receive alerts for new calls, messages, and voicemails, and you can customize notification sound, vibration, and alert type. Now you know how to enable notifications in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.